In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to build a simple classifier using Scikit-Learn. Scikit-Learn requires Python 3.6 or higher. To check which version of Python you have installed, run the command Python 3 version, and the output should be similar to Python and the version of your Python. To install Scikit-Learn and its dependencies, run the command bash pip install Scikit-Learn. This will download and install the pre-built binary of Scikit-Learn from PyPI, along with Scikit-Learn. The following dependencies will be automatically installed: NumPy, SciPy, JobLib, and thread pool ctl. If you already have Scikit-Learn installed and want to make sure it's up to date, run the command to upgrade it: pip install scikit-learn. Now Scikit-Learn is installed, updated, and you can start building machine learning models.